We're adding 115,000 lumens, and we're gonna power it with this, the all new Anker C2000 Gen 2. How long will it last? And it's all next on HomePro Hero. Man, super nice day today, but unfortunately, winter's coming. That means shorter days, and I'm losing light. I think I got a solution. We're gonna energize my DIY pole barn to give me light so I can get DIY projects done for the next couple months until my bargain electrician can come run electrical line from my house to the barn. We're gonna use the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. Remember a couple years ago, I had the C1000, phenomenal battery. But this one, it has double off the grid power. Not only that, when it's sitting idle, only 9 watts, the lowest in the industry. So almost every bit of energy goes straight to what I'm powering. So let's talk about the lights that I'm installing today. These Hyperlites are super cool. I got 4 different types. I got the Jumbo Heroes, 150 watts each, and they have 3 different colors. Same thing with the smaller Halos. They're 100 watts. I got some canopy lights. These are 100 watters each. These are 65 each, not adjustable. 64, 60 watt light bulbs equivalent. We'll get them all hooked up, and then the C2000 will tell us exactly how many watts it's gonna pull per bank and how long they're gonna run. With all that said, let me catch you up what I've done so far, and let's get to work. I've got my Anker C2000 Gen 2 at the bottom plugged into my electrical reel, which automatically gives me power to my garage door. We're about 62% right now. I think the garage door's been on it for 7 days now. And then it's tied into my lights that I ran 3 separate circuits to. One for my upper bay lights, one for my lower bay lights, and one for my under loft lights. And then also a plug. Let's charge some batteries up so we have power to get these lights hung. I got a power bank I need to charge up. Let's top off the phone while we're out here too. Let's do the large bay lights first. These things come packaged really well. The instructions, who needs those? Things are heavy duty. They weigh a ton, they're like aluminum or something. And then all I did was buy some rings at Menards for like 89 cents each. Long story short, you have a cord with a plug and you got a safety. We'll use all that. Okay, here we go. Pretty simple. A lot of my work was done when I installed the box yesterday. Let's turn the power on and see if she fires up. So these are the super easy ones because they have plugs. The other ones, you actually got a wire, but they're super easy too for the fact that the box is all contained inside the light. Check this out. Inside this little area right here, you can adjust the wattage, 150, 100, and I think 75. They're running about 300 watts, 43,500 lumens of Hyperlite, powered by Anker. So let's hook up the mini Hero lights. Same process. The cool thing about Hyperlite is if you tell them the area that you're turning the light, they gave me my exact location and gave me the exact lights that I needed. If you like these lights and you want some, I'll put a link in the description. Fairly cheap for what you get. Bang 2, on. Boom. It's getting bright in here now, isn't it? Okay, so these little small canopy lights, they're 65 watts each. Boom, you pop the lid, not a big deal. Got 3 different ways to come in. Of these little knockouts, they're standard. So these little 3/8 garments that hold the wire in place fit perfectly. Grab a battery for the drill. That one's done. Just gonna use regular deck screws to hang it up. That's pretty much it. We'll ballpark it. Hey, if you don't have one of these headlight headbands, I know I look like a dork, but they work really good, just FYI. Anyways, let's fish this through here. So then real simple electrical connection. I got these little, I don't know what these things are called, but they're incredible. Wobbles or something like that, I think. Anyways, these makes anybody electrician. Connect the wires. Same process for the other one. They are built good and they're waterproof too. Not like it matters in here, but let me knock out this other one real quick. Same process. So these two are installed. I'm dead end right here. I'm working my way through this light. We're gonna go catch the lights in the front. The barn's gonna be a great place to do DIY projects. And I got a bunch of them coming up, some smaller stuff, not barn related, but stuff inside the house I wanna do. But I need to build it out here. Anyways, here's the big ones. These are 100 watters. They're a lot bigger actually, so they're a little bit heavier. Same exact process actually. Pretty good right there. Man, those things really suck up. Comes in. Right there. Here's this one. Let me know in the comments what you think. Think it's a good solution, temporary for a couple months? You gonna do a job? The good thing is, once I get the Anker charged up and I bring it out here, I not only have lights, but I'll have power too. So if I need power for chargers or anything else, table saw runs on power, I can tap the power too. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So what do you guys think? Pretty cool in here? Think I can do a lot of DIY projects now with these lights powered by Anker. We're gonna burn down the rest of the Anker, take it down to 0, and then I'm gonna show you how fast this thing charges up. You'll be shocked. Super quick. 1064 watts. And we're gonna probably peak at 1149, so it went up a little bit over 100 watts to open the garage door. That's the end of it. Let's go charge it. Listen to the capacity on this SOLIX. 9 watts when it's on standby. That gives this battery a super long runtime. Up to 2400 continuously. On surge, a whopping 4000 watts. It's got 6 AC outlets, 3 USB-Cs, 2 USAs. This thing comes with a 5-year warranty and lifetime customer support. Is the longest in the market. There you have it, guys. That's 115,000 lumens. Completely powered off-grid by the Anker SOLIX C2000 Gen 2. Let's cover the performance of the Anker C2000 with the Hyperlite banks. 200 watts, 29,000 K, over 9 hours of runtime. 300 watts, 43,000 K lumens, just over 6 hours of runtime. The canopy lights, 330 watts, 43,000 lumens, just under 6 hours of runtime. If you add the expansion pack to the C2000, double your run times on all of it. Hey, bottom line, if you're working late, camping, tailgating, or just riding out a blackout, the Anker C2000 Gen 2 simply works. The good news is, the C2000 Gen 2 pre-sale is live now. You can get your early bird discount, put all the details in the video description below. Hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you next time.